That's how people casually address others in the region I am from. It's like the word hey. It can mean anything from saying hi to calling for attention. Let me tell you a story of a mythical ape-like beast called Mythentheng. Awkwardly thin and tall, walks weirdly as it lacks bone joints, always leaning on trees and bamboo for support, for it has no spine either, and lets out an "Hooey" to bait humans wandering inside the forest. The beast apparently is always on a lookout to prey on humans and mimics the call humans make to attract response. It is believed that the beast is gifted with great hearing sense but has a very bad eyesight. And when someone responds back to its call, it leaps great distance and appears almost immediately. Recently, 2 men from the neighboring village went foraging inside the forest and they heard the call, but could not see any person around. The elder one advised not to respond and wait till they could actually see a person. The younger one did not pay heed and responded anyways. The beast came looking within minutes, but as they quickly hid behind and stayed still, like a rock, it couldn't find them and left the place. You see, people believe that the beast, when it finds people, sucks out the life source out of them like a parasite, and people get sick and slowly die.
송감치? 송감치 ma? May ko kaani daal ra? Oh. De. Sao dong ah? I'm pretty sure in some time the dogs will come. Smiley face on the ground. So this is my brother's place. I wonder if he's home. Ah, chakrang de. There you go. Choco and Choco's babies. This is the house. Oi.
Sundays are always special in my village. After church, people visit each other's houses, chat for hours accompanied with copious amount of tea and snacks. On Sundays, most of the village kids hang out at my cousin's place as he's a great storyteller and is fun to be with. His name is Einstein, inventor of stories.
Bằng jaha iya jin na sana ha. Dawin ko chai. Kung yung mong basalte tal kunok.
Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nabi. I'm at my cousin's place and my sister-in-law is making me some delicious stuffs. So let's go look what's in the menu.
Coming back to the recipe, I have 2 recipes for you. One, brinjal with jackfruit seeds, and the other is with an ingredient I haven't heard of before. The Indian trumpet flower, locally known as kering or bhatgila, flowers on a big tree and is a night bloomer which attracts bats. The flower has a slight bitter taste and is eaten as vegetable and is apparently good for jaundice. For the first dish, you'll need jackfruit seeds, brinjal, there is no measurement for it, you can put in any proportion you want, green chilies, cooking soda 1 teaspoon and salt to taste. Cook the jackfruit seeds, the brinjal and chilies along with soda and water till the jackfruit seeds are soft.
Fancy.
Add the fermented or regular dry fish when the seeds are soft. Cook it for some more time till the water content reduces and the gravy thickens. For the second dish with the kering flowers, remove the pistil and stamen from inside the flowers. Tear the flowers open and wash them well.
Barang ba chana na mana nege jondi sa ko barang na ban kireng ki ba ba I chalo kha de pe da kham na kha ta pu ba thu bie di smul bia I chalo kha de pe na na kham na kha cha ko ne tap na na ro cha chung ana ba ten thu ba ta
So the ingredients required are flowers as many as you want, chili as required, cooking soda 1 teaspoon and salt to taste. Cook all the ingredients together in a big wok without adding any water till you get a thick pulpy gravy. The water from the flowers is enough. Do not add any extra water.
That's fine.
Trumpet nam da nong sten ni kha ba ki nang da da na kha yang ba cha kon
Oh, ya ko na ba? Ang ate may ba apirang ko sa
na tan ba ayi wal spoon na ni bien ya na ma chim ki na ba
Hindi ba chungara biak tungnan doon na nam tong tos kajara cha chading mo ani sa ko na.
nege ba te na da ni sa ra ja
So we have fried bamboo shoot with the kering flour dish and the brinjal and jackfruit seeds with dry fish. So this is the jackfruit seeds and brinjal with dry fish. This is stir-fried bamboo shoot and this is the kering flowers.
I'm going to enjoy this meal. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And also follow me in Instagram at Eat Your Kappa handle. And I'll see you next week with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Until then, take care, stay safe.